This one's for Chewwie.
What the fuck? Fire!
Sorry, it's getting real hard to...
Fire!
I'm fine, man. Oh.
Sergeant, when I tell you to fire, you fucking fire!
Ow!
Oh shit, sorry bro. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm looking for the fucking aircraft that keeps killing us. Thanks. What was that? You hear some? Look at that fucking triangle up there, man. What an asshole.
Where is he?
Look at him all the way up there.
Dude, he's,
Oh, fuck
he's
that
trying
guy.
to find us.
Didn't even get him. Rose like they might be flying.
I heard they have jump packs.
You hear something? What was that?
I think it's the ship.
Mm.
The Helldivers make pay. Buddy, I'm running with you.
What?
Oh, fucking this guy's like, oh, the Helldivers make a pay. Like, champ, I am running away. Like,
Hey, we're in this
same
together.
Fucking guy. Oh, where's the tower?
I don't know.
It's alright, no.
Probably not important.
I need to stim.
Dude, it's so true.
Wait, what? Oh, the fucking things. Okay, never mind. Take mine out. God damn it.
Oh, fuck, that's close. No.
What, did you see that guy? He just fucking launched himself.
Right name. Ah! Oh.
What even happened there?
Oh. Hit by rocket.
Stairs.
The fuck?
Sorry, I thought it was gonna hit you like a shovel.
You cut me in fucking half. Look at me. It's just a prank, bro. As you fucking cut me in half.
Oh wait, that's not even my gun. What gun did I pick up? How'd you do that?
Do what? Spawn back in? Yeah, I know. It's crazy, isn't it?
I was not there on my screen.
You're a mine.
Oh.
Mine. Yeah! Cannon there, eh?